What's that, Goda? What's that?
A piggy.
Piggy. What's that?
Cow.
It's a cow.
It's a stem.
Okay, right here. We'll do this one. What's that?
Cat.
And what's this? What's that? What's this?
Duck.
What's that?
Toothpaste.
No. That's a pen.
No, toothpaste.
That's not toothpaste, baby.
Not toothpaste. What do you mean?
And what's that?
Doggy.
Doggy. What's that?
A window.
Window. And that? That's a pen. What's that?
Ball.
Ball.
Two ball.
Two ball. How many? One.
Two.
And that?
Yes.
Three. Okay, next page. What's that?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
What's this?